Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're turning left here. So in this video I want to show you something here. This road, this is the Ballamore Road, and we're turning left into Burton Road. Look in the left mirror. Now this road they mostly use for meeting situation, for clearance gap. So whenever you come here, you will see that always cars parked on the left and right here. Every time you come here, this road is always busy. So when you come around here, the examiners are looking how close you are getting to these cars on the left hand side. So what you need to just watch when you're driving, if you think I need to leave a door length gap, which we just did, stay close to the center line, this white line. That car's coming close to the center line, so I will slow down, and as soon as the car passed, I will go back to the center line and drive close to the center line now. Now keep an eye ahead what's happening there. That car's coming, so I know there's a road's getting tighter there. So what I'll do, I will just drop the speed down a little bit more, and if I had to stop, this is called a safe place. So I was okay to stop there. Look in the mirror to move away. Now see that it's like a bend on the road. So I'm driving on the center line now because these cars park more or less on the road and the road is more narrower here. So I'm driving on the center line at the moment. As soon as I pass these cars, I look at the center and the left mirror and move back into my side of the road, which is the left side of the road again. Oh, someone is on the wrong track. Speed is 20 here. Now when you come around here, crossing, we stop, we see there's a pedestrian on the road, so we'll just slow down, drop the gear down, and nice and easily we stop just here now. Handbrake up and we wait for our turn. Lights change, so I'm okay to carry on. No one's crossing the road, it was safe to go now. Now again, what I need to remember is clearance gap onto the left hand side. So see the car coming, so ease off. There's two cars heading out, so just nice and slowly. See the one car is parking and the second car is coming out. So this car's okay, we're waiting for these cars. So once we pass the car, we look in the mirror and we drive the car now. See the car coming from the other side of the road, there's enough space for me to carry on. So I'll be driving nice and slowly, leaving a good door length gap on the left hand side, and we just carry on. Keep an eye on the red car again. Now this is always happen on this road. You will see the cars coming in, cars going out, the cars turning middle of the road there. So you got to be very careful when you come around here. Road name is Burton Road. Speed on this road is 20 miles an hour. So whenever you come around here, just be very careful with the cars. So many cars around here. So we are turning right here. So I can see on the traffic light, it's an L-shaped light. It's mean, look in the mirror, signal right. So it's mean that filter arrow lights are there now. Filter arrow, if the arrow goes green straight away, I will take the turn and will go out. So I can see the green arrow there. It means I'm okay to leave the junction and go into my side of the road. So if there was no green arrow, we do the same whatever we do every time we do onto the junction. We go into the middle of the junction and we wait for the gap, or if there's no gap coming, we wait for the lights to change. So whichever comes first, we take that. Now meeting situation happening here again. Lots of car parked up on the left and right, so nice and very tight space down here. So we just drive nicely, very slowly here. See that car is really close. So what I'm going to do now, I won't take a risk and we just stop around here, leaving enough space for them cars to go easily past me, and I will take my steer turn out and keep the steering straight a bit now. I'm just waiting for them cars to go to the side. So when this car move, I have enough space to go into that little space there and move away. But there lies changing, I think, and we should have a nice space anyway. So now I see the gap there, put my car into gear, check the mirror and just drive slowly. That car's not coming out, so I'm okay to just carry on with it. Looking in the left mirror, go back into the left side of the road. Speed on this road is still 20 and the name of this road is Burton Road. So just remember, when you take in a filter arrow, when you're following the filter arrow, it's giving you direction to go. You're okay to go when the arrow is there. If there's no arrow there and the light's only going green, you go into the middle and you wait for the oncoming traffic and find a gap in there. If there's no gap, we just stay there and wait for the lights to change. So when the lights are changed, you're okay to leave the junction even though the lights are red. Thank you.